Ah, it's a pickerel. I didn't even know they're in here. Whew. Oh, man. No clue they're even in here. Yes. I can fucking hold them. Pickerel. Didn't even know they were here. I'll let them go. They're good.